Good day, everybody. So today we have another question under limits and continuity. We are asked to find the limit of cube root of s cubed plus 8 minus 2 over s cubed. So what are you trying to say by limit? Limit means everywhere you see the values of s, substitute that limit value. So when x is 0, if I put it here, 0 raised power 3, that will give us 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. The cube root of 8 is simply 2. So what is the point? We're having 2 minus 2, which is 0, over s raised power 0 raised power 3 will also give us 0. So what is the point? That will not give us a viable solution to the question. So how do we simplify a question like this to ensure our denominator is never 0? So to do so, let's say let u to be the cube root of s cubed plus 8. So let's try to make s cubed the subject formula because of the s cubed that is present here, so I can just be left with u as a whole. So my u can also be written as s cubed plus 8 raised to power 1 over 3. So to find s cubed, that means I need to remove this 1 over 3 to come this way. It's coming this way, becomes 3 over 1, which is 3. So my u raised to power 3 is simply s cubed plus 8. Therefore, our s cubed now is simply u raised to power 3 minus 8. So let's substitute s cubed in place of this s cubed here. So we are having lim x tends to 0. So the whole of this will replace with u. So I will place the whole of this, I'm putting u there, minus 2 over, place of s cubed now, I'm putting u raised to power 3 minus 8. So this is a polynomial factor. I will use it to divide it or factorize it. So this will give us, this one now implies lim x tends to 0 of u minus 2, bracket open close, over, I can write this as u raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3. Because 2 raised to power 3 is simply 8. So what happens if you factorize a cubed minus b? So let us recall what is a cubed minus b cubed. That will give us a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. That's the value of a cubed. So if I compare this to this, which is u cubed minus 2 raised to power 3, will give us what? U minus 2 over u squared plus 2u plus 4, which is 2 squared. So in place of this, I'm replacing with everything that is here. So we are having lim x tends to 0. I'm having u minus 2 over u minus 2 bracket u squared plus 2u plus 4. So that you can see u minus 2 can cancel u minus 2. So we are left with lim x tends to 0. We're left with 1 at the numerator, u squared plus 2u plus 4. So what is our u now? Let's substitute it back into the expression. Our u originally was the cube root of s cubed plus 8. Let's put it in place of u in each case. So I'm having lim x tends to 0, 1 over, here becomes s cubed plus 8, cube root of it, raised to power 2, plus 2 the cube root of s cubed plus 8 plus 4. That's what we are left with. So, and you will see s, let's substitute 0. So I'm going to have 1. I'm going to have 1 over, so when x is 0, it becomes 0. What is the cube root of 8 is 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4 plus, here is also 8. Cube root of 8 is 2 times 2, 4 plus 4. So the result is simply 1 over 12. Please subscribe to our channel and support it if you like what you are watching. See you in our next video. Thank you.